Instead of building pipelines that constantly break, Minexa.ai lets both developers and non-developers define a scraper once and reuse it reliably to scrape review aggregation from any website. Open the page. Minexa.ai reads the full rendered structure automatically, so you can start extracting data quickly without hassle. Launch Minexa.ai. Everything starts from this single browser panel, ready to analyze your data extraction needs. Click here. Minexa.ai scans the page for repeated patterns of content to identify lists and extract review aggregation efficiently. No results will be missed. Minexa.ai picked up the pagination and will follow every page on each extraction run automatically. Choose lightweight list scraping or full extraction across every detail page, depending on your review data needs. Click Continue for simple pages, or switch to advanced mode when content only appears after interactions like dropdowns, tabs, or buttons that need to be triggered first. Click Create Scraper. No manual field setup is needed at this stage, because Minexa.ai detects the full review container automatically. All fields are listed here, including hidden HTML data. Select those that matter most for scraping multiple user reviews and feedback, such as reviewer names, ratings, dates, and comments. Click API Request to get Python code that interacts with the page before scraping, helpful if user reviews load after clicks or other actions. Your setup is ready. Click Complete Configuration to save it, and proceed to the next step for running your scraper. No results will be missed. Multi-page navigation is saved and runs automatically on every extraction to capture all user reviews. Your scraper is ready to run. Optionally pick a schedule so Minexa.ai reruns it automatically and keeps your review data fresh and up to date. Press Run, and Minexa.ai handles pagination, page loading, and optional JavaScript rendering automatically from start to finish, without any extra effort. Every column you see here is tied to a fixed point on the page. Reviewer names, ratings, dates, and comments are extracted reliably, without confusion, even across thousands of rows, ensuring perfect accuracy every time. Download the data. Every value was read directly from the page without interpretation or modification, ready for your analysis or reporting. Replace guesswork with deterministic extraction. Every column tied to the exact right spot on the page, every single time, making your review scraping both simple and reliable.